In 2017, Aven introduced the innovative SharpVue inspection system. The sleek, compact design, combined with its high-quality image reproduction and USB output capabilities, made the SharpVue a user-friendly solution for all inspection environments. Now, Aven is proud to build on that legacy with two new additions to the SharpVue line, the SharpVue PLUS and the SharpVue XT. The SharpVue PLUS has carried over all the popular features of the original SharpVue system, such as the attractive compact design, with its fixed working distance. This new model also retains the dual outputs to connect to either a PC or an HD monitor. The SharpVue PLUS's redesigned autofocus camera offers improved image quality at up to 30x optical magnification at an excellent depth of field. This system is operated with the included wireless remote. Zoom in and out, turn autofocus on or off, insert a crosshair, and much more, all with a touch of a button. The SharpVue PLUS also features a USB output for computer connectivity. The included software offers image and video capture, annotation, measurements, and more. Also new for the SharpVue PLUS, a USB output dedicated to capturing images to a USB storage device with no computer required. For applications that require the ability to move the camera, Aven now offers the SharpVue XT. The SharpVue XT camera is mounted to a telescoping arm with a horizontal range of 6 inches to 16.5 inches, giving users the ability to adjust the camera position both horizontally and vertically. This innovative feature allows users to upgrade their magnification or working distance. The SharpVue XT utilizes the same advanced camera technology as the SharpVue PLUS, with the same USB DisplayPort outputs and the ability to save images to a USB storage device. This system comes complete with an ESD-safe 22-inch post stand with an 11.5 by 17.7-inch base. The advanced, yet easy-to-use SharpVue software included with both the SharpVue PLUS and the SharpVue XT provides all of the tools operators need for digital inspection and analysis. Aven's SharpVue inspection systems, futuristic, innovative, and easy to use. To learn more, visit aveninc.com or contact your Aven representative.